that wonderful girl? Could she be any cuter? Who's that wonderful girl? Oh, look, here comes the suitor.
Dear Diary, today was full of unboxing so many new toys. First, Mom bought me these bags to play in, and my brother and I had a blast with these. I got chewy tube toys which bounced around, and as usual, I begged Mom for wet food because I deserve yummies on play date. Of course. Okay, so then I played in the box that everything came in and got to chase my new bouncy ball. And I ended my day watching the neighbor dog, hoping he'd finally get scared. Hopefully it works next time.
Go, hey, more passion, more passion, more passion, more energy, more energy, more footwork, more footwork, more footwork, more passion, more energy. You don't like to dance, come on, do the cha-cha. Shorty Spanish, so she like to call me Papa. True fact, everything I do, call it flaca. All they do is copy me, I call them rocker. She keep worried about my hoes, I had to block her. Had to kick off the list, I'm playing soccer. Why you like the Jamaican, you not even...
Help me figure out what my cat's leg fur looks like.
Tell the difference, yeah. She can't tell the difference, yeah.
To all of those people who say when you tell them you have cats, ugh, I don't like cats, I'm never coming over your house. You weren't invited. You weren't invited. You'll never be invited.
Hey, go, hey, more passion, more passion, more passion, more energy, more energy, more footwork, more footwork, more footwork.